Hey YouTube, feeling Florence. Well, today's another birthday. My youngest son, all my kids have birthdays in February and March. But today, you see behind me, my son loves ribs, so we're gonna do some baby back ribs today. I'm gonna take them over to a family get together, mother-in-law's house, and some more family's gonna be in town, and we're gonna have a big time. And they don't know I'm bringing these ribs. I'm just doing these. It's 5:50 in the morning. I'm gonna have them ready by lunchtime. So, got some baby backs. Oh, what is that? Remember all those big, fast fermenter conicals I had up on the counter? Daughter's grapes. That's just a little dab of it. Well, here's a little bit of it. I got about 60 bottles there, and that's half of it. I still have the other half to do. So there you go. Turned out so nice. Yeah. I hurt my shoulder yesterday. My chair broke and I fell backwards. This is no joke, folks. That actually happened. Yesterday, it threw my big butt out the chair on my shoulder against the door. And it hurt. This arm hurt. I had to put my elbow up. But really turned out good. Maybe if I have another drawing sometime soon, somebody might get some. But anyway, I got to go outside and fire up that grill. Today I'm going to do ribs a way I hadn't done them yet. I'm going to use the Weber Kettle, that red limited edition. Well, I'm going to use that and put these ribs on it. So I got to go fire it up. Meet me outside. It's still dark. Okay, as you can see, I got my ribs here. I got what we're going with today for rub, the rub. Jason Ganal over at GQUE Barbecue was so nice to send me some of this to try. Thanks a lot, Jason, and I'm gonna really look forward to using that today. Then I've got some pause sauce. This was sent to me by Jay Dowlam up in Minnesota. This is a fairly new sauce to the market. I've used it before. This is the Sweet Heat variety, and I'm gonna use that. And if I don't have enough, it's up to about here. I'd used it once before. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna come back with some Killer Hogs, the barbecue sauce. But I think I've got enough of this to go on. So let me get these ribs ready to go. Stand by. Nice. The rub. Oh yes, beginning to take effect. Getting ready to go put these on. Stick with me. Okay, I got 2 down underneath. I got 1 up here on top. Okay, I'm gonna put a few pieces of apple wood on here for a little smoke. Don't want much. Okay guys, it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. We're going along at about 260 degrees. And whoa, that one on top's getting all the heat. I'm spritzing it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar and apple juice. Might better dial that thing back a little bit or swap them around. Looks like there's more heat up at the top. Might just trade places with these two. How you like that little act? Let this one enjoy some of the extra heat. I failed to mention earlier, I'm using the Slow N Sear and the N Griddle combination. Let's close this back up. 2 hours and 38 minutes. These things are cooking a little hotter than I wanted, so I'm gonna. That bottom one's pretty good. Cooking up high like that, it cooks hotter, and so you might get a little more crispiness. Anyway, I'm going to wrap them. Sauce on hot sauce. It's PQ barbecue sweet heat. She came from Minnesota, small startup company, and he's trying to get it marketed. I think he said this was going to be the first one he got. He's got about 4 or 5 different ones. This was going to be the first one, I think, available on Amazon at some point. So this is sweet heat hot sauce. Looks good. I've tried it already before, and it is a delicious sauce. Okay, I'm gonna set you back up over here so you can see what I'm doing. Minnesota, sent to me by Jay Dowling, one of my viewers. Thank you, Jay. That's the last of the sweet heat. I'm gonna have to get up to Steve and get some more of this. Okay, our cook's done. I've been letting these ribs set for about, I don't know, 50. That's a beautiful rack of ribs. Let's see if we can do a little better job on cutting them now. I'm gonna go down in between the ribs. I got a new knife, so maybe this will do better. So far, I believe it's doing a little better job than I normally do. I usually tear them all to pieces. You know that if you've watched me. Check out that rib. Let's do a little bite test. See if I did my job right. Oh, yeah. You know what we say around here? That's daggum good. That's a good one right there. I might need to get a Kimball from the camera lady to keep up with me. Hold me steady, really. One more bite.
Hey, don't forget camera lady now.
Okay, camera lady. I did forget you. Take a bite.
Is that good?
The Rub by GQUE Barbecue. Thank you, Jason, so much for sending this. The Rub has got these ribs tasting so good, and I appreciate it. So go to GQUE Barbecue and check him out. So that's our cook. More ribs for the birthday party. So we headed out in just a minute to go over there, and I'm taking these ribs. They don't know I'm bringing them. We're going to have barbecue and fried chicken and all the other stuff, but we're going to cut these up and put them on a platter and have them a little birthday surprise. So until next time, this is Phil and Florence. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, there you go. That's my ribs. Beauties. We'll get together, birthday lunch.
Bring it on in. We only get to do this
My brother-in-law, my youngest son, and my nephews. Yeah, I'm doing a little video. So there's a few more of the crowd. Some down from Ohio visiting with us. Janet, her mother, and her aunt, her sister. Everybody, look here a second. Where are you getting the best barbecue?
Right here.
Phil and Florence! Phil and Florence!
A little drive-by. Janet's beans. A little Phil and Florence baby back ribs. Oh, here's some sides over here.
He's filming all this.
It's gonna be on.
Oh, there's some barbecue pulled pork, so called, fried okra, macaroni, and the cheese.
She cooked that. Did you cook it? I think she got it.
We're gonna eat good today, y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday